Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today one of my customer he watched my video and he sent a device from 400 kilometers and he said this device is do not connect the internet, and it is Oppo 5G CPU T1A model 5G router. And now I will open and check what is the problem. So first I have to unboxing, and guys, here you can see the device is almost new. He's packing very well. He said the SIM port not working. So now I have to check. This device is broken SIM port inside. Now I will open this router. I need a star screwdriver. After remove all the screw, you have to open this back part, and you can see here one of the pin is broken. See guys, here is the one of the pin is broken. So now we have to open all the cases, and remove this side also. Here is also the 4 screw. You have to remove this 4 screw all. After remove the screw, you have to remove this plastic cover. Okay, here is no screw, so I have to open this side also, this plastic cover. Okay. Now remove this black color plastic. They have some locks, so you have to remove. And here is also 2 to 4 screw. You have to remove this 4 screw. And guys, now you have to remove this body from case. And here is also have 6 screw, I think. You have to remove this all screw, and there is many antenna connection. Oh my god, there is many antenna connection. So I have to remove this plastic. First I have to remove all the screw and all the antenna connection. So you have to remove all the antenna connection. First you have to remove this antenna. Okay, and then you have to remove this white antenna also, and this red color. Okay, and then you have to remove this blue and white antenna connection, and you have to remove this black antenna connection. Okay, almost done. You can see this side is almost clear, and this side have to clean. Okay, so we are all done. So now I have to remove the 6 screw inside. So after remove all the screw, I have to remove this case. And guys, also you have to remove this one. Okay, have to remove this steel because of this, and remove this all the screw black color. After remove all the screw, you have to remove this part, and you can see here is our work. This one of the SIM port is broken, so I have to remove this part using the hot gun. So after I remove, I will install here as a new SIM port. So guys, you can see I have to remove the old SIM port. Is very clean, okay, with the hot air. And now I need a new SIM port. This SIM port model is 6A. The model number of SIM port 6A. The model number you can see. I will put the picture. And now I have to put some solder here to iron. See, I have to soldering this all the side little bit, because when I use the hot air or the iron, is working perfectly. All the side you have to connect with soldering iron. So guys, I have to use soldering iron first to solder this position. Okay, to check is all connection is perfect or not. So now I have to soldering this all the connection. See guys, is done. All the connection is okay. So now I will return back the device. You can see it's perfect everything. And I can see here is I connect the SIM. So now I will connect the charging port, and this device is working. I will show you. Okay guys, you can see I changed the SIM card. So this is my internet SIM is Joey and has the connecting, and now I'll check it's working. Okay, see all the SIM working. Speed test. Now little bit problem because the internet antenna is open. So I check like this, the speed almost 70 plus, almost 80, because I am the under in the building. So you can see the good speed now, and I will return all this connection and close this. So good connection is now. So I will turn off the be careful, always you have to open the SIM tray or SIM port. So now I will return this first. Okay, you have to return all the screw here. So I return back all the screw. Okay, done all the screw, and now I return back this plastic case. Let's see how is. Okay, and now I will tight all the screw, 6 screw here. Before you close, you have to see all the screw have to make tight. So now I return back the antenna connection. First of all, you have to return back this black color antenna first, this side, and I have to return back on this inside, and then you have to return back this antenna. Okay, you have to put inside all the wire, and now I have to return back one by one this all antenna. Okay, it's together because it's two for one type antenna, so I have to put this inside, and then I put this red and gray connection like this. So after that I have to use this antenna connection, and this antenna going inside this first one. See, I think it's coming like this. Okay, done, almost done everything. So now I put inside the box. Okay, check first all the antenna and all everything good. So now again try. So now I return back this plastic, the black plastic. Okay, after that I think this one. After that have to close with this. First you have to check the position is good. Okay, you have to close. Before I close, I think they have some screw under the plastic. Have 4 screw here. Close first, and now close this, and then close this, and close this plastic, and then at last you have to close this. So 4 screw here, you have to close all. Almost done. Before close you have to check the SIM port is going inside good. Okay, good, and remove. So now the front side I have to use. Okay, here is 4 screw, we have to make tight. 4 screw here. So now I close this front part. You can see, so everything is done. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day. You can see I return back all same place and the same customer all over in the Saudi Arabia. If you have any problem, with your internet, laptop, any device, you can contact with me and send to me. I will fix and return to you. Thank you.